Hey there my friend, if you're someone who wants to show off your LeetCode submissions but you're stuck because there is no direct way to flaunt them, or maybe you're just wondering, can I sync my LeetCode solutions to GitHub automatically? Well, you have come to the right place and my tool does this exact thing. So here is the repository that my tool created automatically for me, and these are the solution to the problem of LeetCode that I solved in LeetCode. It also provides a README which categorizes the solutions based on the topics, so you can directly check the solution over here. So I'm going to show you one, for example, bulb switcher. So this is a bulb switcher and this resembles very much to the LeetCode. So let me just quickly go through the solutions. This is how the solution is stored. Since I used in Python, so the solution is in Python. You can see any other if you want. Okay. So now I'm going to delete this repository and create from scratch using my tool. So now I'm going to delete this repository. So the repository has been deleted. So now come to my website, which is LEET2GIT.ashwithrai.me. So this is the interface, how it looks. So let's get started. So just read the terms and conditions and hit enter. So now you have to authorize me. So authorize. It's done. Now we have to set up the repository. So the first question is the repository new or existing one? So since I deleted, this is a new repository for me. Next, enter the name of the repository that you want to create. So it's going to be Leet Solutions. You can keep any name. Set the visibility. Should it be public or private? So let it be public and finish. The repo is being created successfully. So let us see if the repository is created or not. Just to refresh the page. It's created, Leet Solutions. And currently there is nothing. So let us go back. So there are mainly two systems here. One is automatic, one is manual. First I'm going to take you through manual process, and then we will look into automatic. The manual mode. So here you have to search the question, for example 2sum. After searching, you hit enter, search. Okay, so the ID is 1, 2sum, easy, your solution. Then you have to choose which language you're going to write. You can choose any language, and since this is a manual process, so my tool doesn't going to validate whether the solution is correct or not. Whatever you enter here will be reflected over there. Example, print hello world, which is not the solution for this, and you can add more questions as you want. So now let me just quickly sync. The code is uploaded successfully. Let us check that. Refresh the page, and there is one code which is 2sum, which is categorized into its topics. So the 2sum, if you look into it, you will see the solution as print hello world, whatever you gave there. So now let us see the automatic section. So here there are a few instructions which has to be followed. So first click start, and this is the code. Copy this, Ctrl+C, or you can directly press this button. And now I want you to log into LeetCode, leetcode.com. Now I'm logged in. If you're not logged in, you have to log in through Gmail, anything, GitHub or anything. So after logging in, this is very important, after logging in, right click and inspect. Then go to console. Here you have to paste the code. sometimes Chrome won't allow for direct pasting, so at that time you have to type allow pasting and hit enter. Since I have the access, so it's showing an error. When you do it for the first time, you have to type allow pasting, then only you can paste the code. Now okay, right click and paste. So this is the code that you copied. Now you have to click enter. That's it. So starting sending the data to the server. Now you can come here and here, yeah, so code is been received, processing the data, uploading to GitHub. So it may take a little bit, so just wait for that. Yeah, now it's successfully being uploaded. You can check out that in your repository. Just click here. So you can see now all the solutions that I created, the LeetCode platform has been updated here. So it's been categorized based on the topics also. So if you want to check out anything, you can just go to any game, for example bulb switcher, and see the question, and here is the solution. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so if you have any comments or feedback or anything, you can give me the feedback over this section. You can give the feedback, and also you can check out my portfolio, my GitHub profile. You can directly contact me also. Yeah, that's it.